In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refer a friend on Robinhood. Referring a friend can be a great way to share the benefits of investing with those you care about, and you might earn a reward in the process. Let's dive right in. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, you will see the main screen where you can view your portfolio and account information. This is your starting point for referring a friend. Next, tap on your account icon. This is usually represented by a person-shaped icon. Tapping this icon will take you to your account details page where you can manage various aspects of your Robinhood account. From there, tap the menu icon. This is typically depicted by three horizontal lines, often called a hamburger icon. This menu gives you access to a variety of options and settings within the app, allowing you to navigate easily. Now select the rewards option from the menu. The name of this section may vary slightly, but it will be where you find information about any rewards you are eligible for. This section is important because it provides you with the tools to refer a friend. Once you are in the rewards section, tap Invite Friends. This is the action that will allow you to share the excitement of investing with others. You have a couple of options at this point. You can choose to share your referral link directly, or you can invite contacts. Sharing the link is straightforward and can be done through text, email, or any other messaging app you prefer. Inviting contacts can make it easier if you have a specific group in mind. After you've sent your referral link, your part is done for now. Your friend will need to take a few steps on their end for both of you to be eligible for the referral reward. Your friend must sign up using the referral link you provided. This is crucial because it ensures that the referral is tracked correctly. If they sign up without the link, the referral won't be recorded. Next, your friend needs to get approved for a Robinhood account. This process involves filling out some basic information and may require identity verification. It's important because it ensures that your friend can legally trade and invest. After approval, your friend must link a bank account or debit card to their new Robinhood account. This step is necessary for funding their investments and completing the sign-up process. Once they complete these steps, both you and your friend become eligible for the referral reward. Now, let's talk about the rewards you might receive. Referral rewards typically range from $5 to $200. However, most rewards are on the lower end of that range. Keep in mind that Robinhood places annual limits on referral rewards, so you cannot earn unlimited rewards through this program. For more official details about the referral program, you can visit the support page at robinhood.com/us/n/support/articles/invite-friends-get-free-stock. This page will have the most up-to-date information and any changes in the program. And there you have it. Referring a friend on Robinhood is a simple process that can benefit both you and your friend. It's a great way to spread the word about investing. Thanks for watching and happy investing.